Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best computer spray cleaner for keyboards, the BERIOVE Keyboard Cleaner Air Spray. If you've been struggling to keep your keyboard, laptop, or other electronic devices free from dust and debris, this product might just be the solution you need. The BERIOVE Keyboard Cleaner Air Spray is designed specifically for electronics, ensuring a safe and effective clean without risking damage to sensitive components. What sets this air duster apart is its non-conductive formula, meaning you can confidently use it on keyboards, laptops, computers, and other delicate electronics without worrying about short circuits or static buildup. One of the highlights of this cleaner is its strong cleaning power. It effectively blasts away dust, dirt, and crumbs even from the hardest to reach areas. The spray comes with finely tightened straws that allow for precise targeting in those narrow gaps between keys or small vents in your devices. This ensures a thorough clean without hassle. The design is sleek and simple, reflecting BERIOVE's commitment to high-quality products. It's also easy to assemble and use, making the cleaning process straightforward and quick. The spray is high pressure, providing a powerful airflow to dislodge stubborn particles, yet it maintains a large capacity so you don't have to replace it frequently. In addition to performance, safety is a priority with BERIOVE. The spray contains no harmful chemicals, emits no unpleasant odors, and maintains the integrity of your electronic devices. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to maintain their tech gear in pristine condition. While many canned air dusters can be harsh or risky to use on delicate electronics, BERIOVE has carefully formulated this product to balance power with safety. Whether you're a gamer, professional, or casual user, this air spray offers a reliable and effective way to keep your keyboard and electronics dust-free. So, if you're looking for a premium, reliable keyboard cleaning spray that combines power, precision, and safety, the BERIOVE Keyboard Cleaner Air Spray is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.